At the #1 spot is the Aston Martin Valkyrie. This multi-million-dollar hypercar brings Formula One level engineering directly to public roads. This hypercar was built to achieve a top speed of up to 250 miles per hour. The vehicle features a naturally aspirated V12 engine that delivers raw F1 soundtrack, a track-oriented car entirely enjoyable as a road car. This limited production hybrid sports car is collaboratively built by British automobile manufacturers Aston Martin and Red Bull Racing. Built entirely on a carbon fiber monocoque, this hypercar features zero structural steel. The heart of the Valkyrie is a bespoke naturally aspirated internal combustion engine paired with a cutting-edge hybrid system. Only 150 units are available, and pricing starts at $3.2 million. This high-performance ultralight vehicle is composed completely of carbon fiber and is designed to look as close to a Formula One car as possible. Said to be one of the fastest street-legal car in the world, the Valkyrie comes with a 6.5-liter V12 engine, which generates 1,100 horsepower, a top speed of 250 miles per hour, and a 0 to 60 time of 2.3 seconds. Number 2. The Mercedes-AMG One. Powered by a literal 1.6-liter turbocharged V6 hybrid engine lifted directly from the brand's championship-winning F1 cars. The Mercedes-AMG One is a limited production plug-in hybrid hypercar built entirely out of lightweight carbon fiber with a full carbon monocoque structure. The AMG One is a street-legal Formula One car that comes with intricate butterfly doors. This supercar is a perfect combination of beauty and speed. The limited production hybrid supercar is manufactured using Formula One-derived technology and is said to be one of the fastest cars made by the brand. The car's lightweight aerodynamic body and 1.6-liter V6 engine provides over 1,000 horsepower. Starting at $4 million, the supercar was first unveiled at the 2017 International Motor Show. It serves as the ultimate technological showcase for Mercedes-AMG, blending track-dominated engineering with street legality. This AMG supercar has a top speed of 219 miles per hour, and it goes from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.9 seconds. The supercar has a planned production of 275 units, all of which have been sold. Number 3. The GMA Type 50. Announced in 2020, the Type 50 is an ultra-lightweight driver-focused supercar designed by Gordon Murray as the spiritual successor to the McLaren F1, featuring a bespoke 3.9-liter naturally aspirated Cosworth V12 engine. The aerodynamic systems on the Type 50 represent the most advanced ever fitted to a road-going vehicle. It employs a revolutionary rear-mounted fan system, actively accelerating airflow beneath the car to deliver unprecedented downforce and control. This ultra-exclusive hypercar prioritizes driving purity and raw mechanical feedback. Starting at $3 million, production is strictly limited to 100 units. The supercar features a central driving position, with the driver positioned exactly at the center, balanced by 2 passenger seats. Constructed entirely from carbon fiber, the seat arrangement weighs just 13 kilograms, maintaining extreme lightness and structural rigidity. This groundbreaking British hypercar has a top speed of 226 miles per hour, with a 0 to 60 acceleration time of 2.9 seconds. It achieves the fastest throttle pickup of any production engine, reacting almost instantly to driver inputs. Number 4. The Essenza SCV12. Developed by Lamborghini Quadricorse, production is strictly limited to 40 units worldwide. The Essenza SCV12 is a track-only hypercar powered by a 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12 engine producing 830 horsepower. Introduced in July 2020, it is the most powerful and the last purely naturally aspirated car built by the brand. The Essenza SCV12 features aerodynamics inspired by racing prototypes and was developed for exclusive track use. Starting at $2.8 million, this Lamborghini features a multifunction steering wheel with an integrated display that was directly inspired by Formula One single-seater steering wheels. It is built to give the driver optimal grip and control without needing to move their hands from a rim. This Lamborghini comes with a top speed of 217 miles per hour with a 0 to 60 acceleration time of 2.7 seconds. By using a full carbon fiber crash structure that meets safety regulations, it sheds 136 kilograms relative to the Aventador SVJ. The pushrod rear suspension is bolted directly onto the transmission casing, achieving optimal structural rigidity. Number 5. The Ferrari F50. With a 4.7-liter naturally aspirated V12 engine derived directly from Ferrari's 1990s Formula One race cars. The F50 is a mid-engine sports car manufactured from 1995 to 1997. A Formula One-inspired hypercar, the mechanical simplicity of a lightweight carbon chassis paired with its high-revving engine delivers exceptional metrics. Created to celebrate Ferrari's 50th anniversary, the F50 was the closest thing to a road-going F1 car built by the company. A total of 349 cars were made, and as of 2026, the Ferrari F50 is priced at $3 million. Designed by Pininfarina, the F50 was built with a singular mission, and that is to deliver uncompromised Formula One experience for the public road. The chassis is made of carbon fiber with a fully stressed engine bolted directly to the rear. With an uncompromising approach to high performance, the carmaker made extensive use of sophisticated composite materials, F1-style construction technology, and aerodynamics. A successor to the F40, this hypercar has a top speed of 234 miles per hour with a 0 to 60 acceleration time of 3.9 seconds. Number 6. The Czinger 21CV Max. The 21CV Max is an American hybrid hypercar featuring over 1,200 horsepower and innovative 3D technology. It stands out as the world's first production vehicle constructed using human AI generative design and structural 3D printing. The 21CV Max is built for performance and speed. It shares the same architecture and powertrain as the standard 21C, but this model comes with a distinctive aerodynamic body which was designed for minimizing drag and maximizing velocity. It employs independent electric motors powering the front wheels for advanced all-wheel drive torque vectoring. Starting at $2.1 million, the V-Max boasts of a sleek tail and minimized aerodynamic devices, reducing drag for higher speeds. The vehicle features a bespoke twin-turbo 2.8-liter V8 engine, paired with 2 electric motors, delivering a combined output of 1,250 horses. The vehicle can go from 0 to 60 in 1.8 seconds with a top speed of 255 miles per hour. The V-Max is tailored for top speed and straight-line acceleration, while the standard model balances performance across various driving scenarios. Number 7. The Porsche Carrera GT. Built between 2004 and 2007, the Porsche Carrera GT is a high-performance, mid-engine supercar powered by a 5.7-liter V10 engine and a 6-speed manual transmission. The vehicle made history by being the first production car with a carbon fiber monocoque chassis and subframe. It utilizes racing-style double wishbone front and rear suspension with pushrod-actuated shocks to reduce unsprung mass for sharper handling. Starting at $3 million, the interior pays homage to the legendary Porsche 917 race car with a lightweight birch and beechwood shift knob. Widely regarded by enthusiasts as the holy grail of analog supercars, the Carrera GT holds a legendary status for its unadulterated driving mechanics, lacking modern electronic driver aids. The vehicle generates 612 horsepower with a top speed of 205 miles per hour. The company built an exclusive run of only 1,270 units, with roughly half delivered to the United States. Number 8. The McLaren Solus GT. A single-seat track machine that brings a futuristic virtual race car to life, complete with a bespoke Formula One-style steering wheel. Built heavily on Formula One engineering practices, the vehicle boasts staggering track metrics. The Solus GT is an exclusive hypercar that brings the Gran Turismo Sport virtual concept into reality. Limited to 25 units, it features an 829 horsepower 5.2-liter naturally aspirated V10 that generates 1,200 kilograms of downforce. The Solus GT is the realization of a radical McLaren concept. This McLaren is a beautiful example of the brand's creativity and expertise. Costing a whopping $5 million, the Solus GT is a single-seater with a central closed cockpit and a jet aircraft-style canopy. Unburdened by roads or traditional racing regulations, the Solus GT provides a driving experience designed to mimic a Formula One car. The unique monocoque houses a naturally aspirated 5.2-liter V10, which can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.5 seconds, with a top speed of 200 miles per hour. The massive front splitter and rear wing help create a massive ground effect, allowing for cornering speeds rivaling top-tier race cars.